I'm a fourth-year medical student. I should be studying at Al-Azhar University, but it got bombed and life stopped.
Let me take you on a tour through my day. Every day we wake up at 5 a.m. My brothers bring us water from the nearby houses in buckets. My father goes to the market to buy us what vegetables we need that day. Me and my sister try to read novels to fill the time. But nothing can distract us from the harsh reality. In truth, it's not exhausting to carry water for long distances, and it's not exhausting to cook on fire. You get used to it. It is, however, very exhausting to live in constant fear. And it's not death that we fear, it's surviving death. If you survive a bombing, then you either end up wounded, having to go through a limb amputation without any anesthesia, or you survive and you lose your loved ones. Can you imagine what a nightmare it would be to be the sole survivor of your entire family? At 6 p.m., when it starts to get dark, we lay down to sleep. Though the constant ear-piercing buzzing of the surveillance drones makes it impossible to sleep, sometimes I feel it's driving me mad. And that is essentially what my day looks like.